Hi everybody, it's me Jazzy. Welcome back to my channel. As promised, when I reach 10 likes, I will open another Hairgoals doll for my other video. And we have reached 10 likes, so I'm going to be opening another Hairgoals doll today. So let's see what we have. And we have got a peach ball, and it's a very pretty, and here's the color. It's a very pretty light peach color. And we have pixie cut for our secret message, and we also have some cute little hair stickers. And here's the mirror. So before I open all of the surprises and the doll, we are going to clean away this mess. And now let's open our first surprise. So first we got a cute little hair clip. Next we have the chain. And we also have the little stand. And here's the bottle. Could you guys guess who this is of the bottle? Comment down below if you know. Here's the dress. Ooh, here are the shoes. And it also came with a cute little pink bow. And now it's time to open our doll. Here she is. And now oh my god guys, we got Splatters and she's really cute. And now before I show you what she looks like all dressed up, we're gonna clean away this mess and I'm gonna dress her and then you'll be able to see what our doll looks like. So here she is guys, Splatters. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. And also, if we get 15 likes on this video, I might be opening another Hairgoals doll.